I'm going to teach you how to view the folder history on Google Drive. This simple yet powerful feature is incredibly useful for tracking changes or finding previous versions of your files and folders. With just a few clicks, you can review the history of your documents, see all modifications made over time, and know exactly who made them. Let's dive in and go through the process step by step. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to drive.google.com. Make sure you're signed into your Google account with your credentials to access your full drive. Once logged in and on the main screen, you're ready to proceed. Locate the folder or file whose history you want to view. Hover over it, then right-click to open the context menu. This menu offers several options for the selected item. Hover over File Info and a submenu will appear. Click on Details to open a panel on the right-hand side of your screen. The Details panel provides a summary of information about the selected file or folder. At the top of this panel, click on the Activity tab. Here's where the magic happens. The Activity tab displays a timeline of all actions related to the file or folder. You'll see when files were created, edited, or shared, along with the names of the collaborators who made these changes. This feature is especially helpful in team environments, ensuring everyone stays updated on the latest edits. It's also useful for recovering previous versions if needed. By regularly checking folder history, you can maintain transparency, accountability, and smooth collaboration on projects of any size. And there you have it. Now you know how to view folder history in Google Drive with ease. Whether you're managing complex projects or keeping track of personal documents, this feature gives you clear insights into all activity. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section. Happy exploring!